Get that starter in there. So right there's where it goes. And while I'm putting it on, the cable that comes from the battery is right there. And also the wires that need to be hooked up to the solenoid. And then there should be a ground wire in that mess there too. So I will try to get that all sorted out, plus the ground cable that goes on the bracket that holds the starter up. I think I can get that started and then put the starter up. And what I'll have to do after that is try to tighten it with the starter in place. Now that's not very good lighting there, but this wire that hooks up to the same wire as the solenoid, I'm sorry, the battery cable on the solenoid is the one that basically it connects the battery to the rest of the power in the car. So I'm going to go find my ground strap and then I'll be able to get started. Okay, and looking at that battery cable, it's already the width of my finger away from the header. So instead of playing around with it, I am just going to take a zip tie and tie it down. That's a heavy enough cable that over time it should hold that bend. Even if this zip tie would break, and I don't think it would, I don't think it would go up and hit the header. Easier said than done. Where's my end of my zip tie? Okay, it's tied a little bit. I'll have to get a pair of pliers to grip that better. Pull it down further. Actually, I think I got it by hand. So that'll keep it well away from the header. The ground wire pulled this cable away from the header nicely. So that's it for the starter. Now, so there's the starter all installed. And one last thing, as I was cleaning up tools, I remembered that I hadn't put the ground strap in. What I did is I put a tooth washer on both sides of that, hopefully to make better contact, and I ran the bolt in and out a couple times, hopefully to scrape some of the paint off and get a good contact on the ground.